A vehicle found violating safe parking practices poses risks to workplace safety, traffic flow, and personnel. Such incidents require prompt documentation and corrective action, especially in industrial settings like oil and gas sites. Common violations. Safe parking practices prevent hazards such as blocked emergency access, fire risks, or collisions. Examples include double parking, positioning between a roadside vehicle and traffic lanes, parking too close to other vehicles, obstructing fire hydrants or driveways, exceeding marked bays, or parking in no standing zones. These often stem from rushed decisions or unfamiliarity with site rules. Improper parking can block evacuation routes, hinder firefighting equipment, or create pinch points for forklifts and heavy vehicles. In industrial environments, this heightens collision chances, spill risks from unstable loads, or delays in emergency responses. Fines, towing, or impoundment may follow, with owners liable for damages if accidents occur. Reporting. Steps: identify the violation via site patrol or camera monitoring, noting vehicle details, location, time, and photos. Issue a verbal warning if driver is present. Otherwise, tag the vehicle per company policy. Document in the safety log with evidence, notify management, and recommend towing if it blocks operations. Follow local regulations for enforcement, escalating to authorities for repeat offenders. Train staff on these practices to minimize recurrence.